comes the birds. Oh my god, there's like thousands. Whoa! Ah! Watch your head! It's like bird poop city up there. Oh my god. That's, whoa! I can't believe I'm looking at this. Wow. I've never seen anything like that in my life. Is it like a... You can't catch them, Papa. I can't look. And I was tripping off of the few of them that they were doing that. Get in the car. I want to... This is so cool. I have to videotape it. Come on. Thousands of... Look, there's more. They just joined them. Those are birds, dude. It's amazing. Hey, take him inside. He's shaking. Buckle him up. Here they come. Wow. Beautiful. Amazing. So we're here on Vineyard and Holt in Ontario, right by the airport. Oh gosh, hundreds of birds just flying everywhere, like fireworks. Here they come.